SOULstice Walk is about sharing oneness and uplifting love. It's about walking through this nation and discovering the depths of my own soul while allowing a space for others to be inspired to discover the depths of their soul. It's sharing oneness, it's uplifting love, it's keeping joy through hardship and pain. It's an adventure of the spirit. It's a desire to want to tie together this great nation and to help as one person to facilitate healing, to give medicine. I walk for you, I walk for me, I walk for us. SOULstice Walk.